In this video, I'm going to show you how to change time zone on iPhone. If you set your iPhone date and time to automatic, then your iPhone will automatically detect your zone, but you have the option to change the time zone on your iPhone. Now to do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and make sure you click on General. Then scroll down and locate date and time and tap that. Once you hit date and time, then you should see the set automatically and then there is time zone. You'll not be able to change the time zone like this, as you can see, because this is set to automatically. Now toggle off set time to automatically on your iPhone. Once that is disabled, then you have the time zone here like this. So if you choose to click on the time zone under automatically, just like this, then you have options to search for your new region or time zone here. As you can see, I am in Nigerian and let's say Lagos, Nigeria. If you try to put maybe any region in your location, let's say you are in Ghana, try to search for Ghana, then you should see it from the pop-up. And if you choose USA, that's your time zone, then you should see various options on USA. All you just need to do is select any of these options that you want to set as your new iPhone time zone. Let's say I want to use Los Angeles, and then you should see my time zone is set to Los Angeles. Then the current time in Los Angeles is 6:34 a.m. and then that's why you see 6:34 a.m. here, and there you go. So that is how to change time zone on iPhone. If this is helpful, you want to like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.